Hey everybody, it's Soren from Head of RestoMods. Just wanted to give you a quick update on the Pontiac Hearse that we're working on. We've got the subframe work going in, and here you can see basically the before with the old drivetrain out. We've done work here in designing up essentially the kit that will allow us to bolt in the modern SUV subframe. And here you can see that subframe kit actually in the chassis, or at least kind of the beginnings of that. And here is the actual rear subframe from the SUV, so this will be all-wheel drive mounted in place. No fancy wheels here. These are the small undersized spares, but you can see that basically now with the wheel in place. And this is the front. So this is essentially the front kit that will support the struts in the front as well as the engine and drivetrain. And here Logan is basically welding in the new frame rails to mount to the modern subframe kit. With the kit in place, this is our first test fit of the engine. This is a Ford 3.5 liter engine in there, and you can see that it fits in pretty nicely. So we'll have modern strut suspension with the new modern engine and basically a modern running vehicle. If you want to know more about this, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.